You are all of you beneath me. I am a god, you dull creature, and I will not be bullied by that.
Puny god.
The scepter.
Doctor.
Loki Scepter. The energy. The Tesseract can't fight. You can't protect against yourself.
It's not your fault. You didn't know what you were doing.
Well, actually, I think I did. I built in the safety to cut their power source.
Loki Scepter.
It may be able to close the portal. And I'm looking right at it.
Sir, we will lose power before we penetrate that shell.
Jarvis? You ever hear the tale of Jonah?
I wouldn't consider him a role model.
Director Fury is no longer in command. Override Order 7 Alpha 1-1.
7 Alpha 1-1 confirmed. We're go for takeoff.
Sir, we have a bird in motion. Anyone on the deck? We have a rogue bird. We need to shut it down. Repeat, takeoff is not authorized.
Stark, you hear me? You have a missile headed straight for the city.
How long?
3 minutes, max. Payload will wipe out Midtown.
Jarvis, put everything we got into the thrusters.
I just did.
Packages sent. Detonation in 2 minutes, 30 seconds. Mark.